Garden and backyard decor encompasses a wide range of elements that contribute to creating a welcoming and aesthetically pleasing outdoor space. Here's a detailed note covering various aspects. ### Garden and backyard decor. 1. Plant selection and arrangement. Flowers and plants. Choose a variety of plants based on color, texture, and seasonal interest. Consider perennials for long-term appeal and annuals for seasonal bursts of color. Containers and planters. Use decorative pots and containers to add height and visual interest. Group plants in clusters for impact. 2. Pathways and paving. Materials. Options include natural stone, gravel, brick, or wood decking. Choose materials that complement the overall style of your garden. Design. Curved pathways can create a sense of flow and discovery. Paving should be practical, providing easy access to different areas of the garden. 3. Water features. Ponds and fountains. Add a calming ambience with a pond or fountain. Water features attract wildlife and create a soothing atmosphere. Materials. Natural stone, ceramic, or resin are popular choices depending on the style and scale of the feature. 4. Lighting. Ambient lighting. Illuminate pathways, trees, and architectural features with soft lighting. Accent lighting. Highlight specific plants or statues with spotlights or uplighting. Solar lights. Environmentally friendly and easy to install, solar lights are ideal for pathways and garden borders. ### Gazebos. Purpose. Gazebos serve as focal points in a garden, providing shade, shelter, and a gathering space. Materials. Wood, metal, and vinyl are common choices. Each material offers different aesthetics and maintenance requirements. Design. Choose a gazebo style that complements your garden's overall theme: classic, modern, rustic, or ornate. Decorating garden gazebos and terraces can transform them into inviting and charming outdoor spaces. Here are some ideas to consider. 1. Outdoor furniture. Choose comfortable and weather-resistant furniture such as wicker sofas, chairs, and a coffee table. Add cushions and throw pillows for a cozy feel. 2. Lighting. Incorporate ambient lighting with string lights, lanterns, or solar-powered garden lights. This creates a magical atmosphere in the evenings. 3. Greenery and plants. Use pots and planters to display a variety of plants and flowers around the gazebo or terrace. Consider hanging baskets or climbing plants for vertical interest. 4. Rugs and carpets. Define the seating area with an outdoor rug or carpet. Opt for materials that are suitable for outdoor use and easy to clean. 5. Curtains or drapes. Install lightweight curtains or drapes to add privacy and create a sense of enclosure. Choose fabrics that can withstand outdoor conditions. 6. Decorative accents. Incorporate decorative items such as wind chimes, sculptures, or outdoor artwork that complement the garden theme. 7. Functional elements. Include a small outdoor table for drinks or snacks, a fire pit for warmth and ambience, or a water feature like a fountain for soothing sounds. 8. Color scheme. Decide on a color scheme that harmonizes with your garden's natural colors. Earth tones, blues, and greens often work well outdoors. 9. Seasonal touches. Update your decor seasonally with items like outdoor cushions in different patterns or colors, or seasonal plants and flowers. 10. Personal touches. Make the space your own with personal touches like a favorite outdoor hobby area, a reading nook, or a dining setup for enjoying meals outdoors. By combining these elements, you can create a beautiful and inviting outdoor space that enhances your garden gazebo or terrace and makes it a delightful place to relax and entertain. Designing a garden with wood can add warmth, structure, and a natural aesthetic to your outdoor space. Here are some ideas and tips for incorporating wood into your garden design. 1. Decking or patio. Use wood decking or patio tiles to create a functional and inviting outdoor living area. Choose hardwoods like teak or cedar for durability, or opt for composite materials for low maintenance. 2. Fencing. Define your garden boundaries with wooden fences. You can choose from various styles such as picket fences for a traditional look or horizontal slat fences for a modern feel. Stain or paint the wood to complement your garden's color scheme. 3. Arbors and trellises. Install wooden arbors or trellises to support climbing plants like roses, jasmine, or ivy. These structures can add height and vertical interest to your garden while creating a cozy, shaded area. 4. Raised beds. Construct raised beds using wood to grow vegetables, herbs, or flowers. Cedar is a popular choice for raised beds as it is naturally resistant to decay and insects. Customize the size and shape to fit your garden layout. 5. Pathways and edging. Use wooden sleepers or planks to create pathways or to edge garden beds. This adds a rustic touch and helps define different areas of your garden. 6. Garden furniture. Invest in wooden garden furniture such as benches, tables, and chairs. Teak and cedar are durable choices that withstand outdoor conditions well. Add cushions or pillows for comfort. 7. Structures. Consider adding wooden structures like a pergola, gazebo, or even a small wooden shed or greenhouse. These features not only enhance the aesthetics but also provide functional benefits such as shade, shelter, or storage. 8. Wooden planters. Incorporate wooden planters or troughs for growing flowers or small shrubs. You can place them strategically around your garden or on a patio to add greenery and color. Certainly. Here are additional ideas for incorporating wood into your garden design. Create a refreshing outdoor shower enclosure using wooden panels for privacy and a natural feel. Utilize wooden stepping stones or log slices to create permeable pathways that blend with the natural environment. Build a wooden treehouse or elevated platform among the trees for a whimsical retreat or play area. Set up wooden picnic tables or benches in a shaded area for outdoor dining and gatherings. Hang wooden baskets or crates filled with trailing plants or flowers to add greenery at different heights. Incorporate wooden rain barrels for collecting rainwater, which can be used to irrigate your garden. Install wooden sculptures, totems, or carved wooden posts as artistic focal points in your garden. Lean a wooden ladder against a wall or fence and use it as a vertical garden or for hanging pots and baskets. Create a wooden platform or decked area for yoga, meditation, or simply lounging in the garden. Hang a wooden rack or ladder to dry herbs in the sun, adding functionality and charm to your garden. Install a small wooden bridge over a water feature or dry stream bed to create a picturesque focal point. Design a wooden outdoor classroom or learning area with benches and a chalkboard for educational activities. Build a wooden sandbox or mud kitchen for children to play and explore nature. Hang a wooden swing from a sturdy tree branch for a fun and nostalgic addition to your garden. Use wooden screens or slatted panels to create secluded corners or partitions within your garden. Construct wooden compost bins or enclosures for recycling organic waste into nutrient-rich compost for your plants. Display potted plants on wooden stands or shelves to add vertical interest and maximize space. Build a wooden pergola with hooks for hanging a hammock, creating a relaxing spot for lounging or reading.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on